Hey Team 101, today we will be analyzing and predicting the market for Bitcoin week ahead. Let's begin. The focus of the analysis would be on top to down analysis, which means we will start at an greater time frame and end at a smaller time frame. Just like 1 week is a greater time frame and ending at a 30 or 15 minutes chart. Here is the chart of 1 week. We can see that the market is currently testing and resistance, as I will show you. Thus, I am expecting a downwards movement from here, as this resistance zone has been respected by the market several times. First, around when the Bitcoin had made its highest at around 18,000 till 19,000, then second around 12 to 11,000, and third it was around 10,000, and now it's testing the resistance zone. What I'm expecting in downwards movement, now coming in it on a smaller time frame, one day chart. On a clear and a bigger picture, we can see that the market has respected the resistance zone recently and has bounces off the resistance zone. Now here we can see that the market is currently experiencing an hidden bearish divergence, which is the market is making lower high, whereas the indicator is making higher high, as I will show you. Here in the blue line we can see that the market is making lower high from here till here, whereas simultaneously the indicator should also make an lower high, whereas the indicator is making higher high, as I will show you. Thus we have till now we have two reasons. One is that the Bitcoin is experiencing an resistance zone. Secondly, we can see an hidden bearish divergence. We can also see an break of the trend line, as I will show you, of a short term break of trend line, which is in red color. However, the external or long term break of the trend line will suggest a less risk trade, which I am drawing. Thus, we can also see in bounce off from this trend line, which I have drawn. However, a bounce off will from this trend line which suggests in buy position or a long position. However, a break through this trend line will generate an strong sale or short position. Moreover, moving towards more smaller time frame, on 4 hourly chart we can see an regular bearish divergence. It's in divergence when the market is making higher high, whereas the indicator is making lower low rather than making higher high, as I will show you. As it is visible that the market is making higher high, whereas the indicator should also make an higher high. However, the indicator is making lower low. Thus, this suggests that a bearish mood or the bearish momentum should be continued or will be experienced in the coming days. Till now we have three reasons for taking a short position on Bitcoin, but keep in mind that on 18th May we are having Bitcoin halving, which will significantly increase the price of Bitcoin, and I am expecting a breakout from the resistance line. Okay, now for taking position, we will first wait for the trend line to break, which the trend line has broken. Thus, on an pullback, a sale position can be created but only for short term. As next week we are also at next week, or in other words after 2 weeks we are having Bitcoin halving as said before. Thus I am expecting an bullish move due to that event. However, for now I am expecting an pullback or a continue of momentum towards the trend line. Break of the trend line will indicate the continuation of momentum. However, a bounce of the trend line will indicate a change in momentum from bullish to bearish. For now, we can take an sale or short position with an stop loss and take profit as shown. The take profit would be around 5,000. No, the take profit would be around 8,170. However, the stop loss would be around 8,987. This trade will provide the risk to reward ratio of 1 ratio to 1.8. However, a buy position can be created at the test of the resistance or at the support line, as I will show you. The stop loss should be just placed below the trend line and the take profit should be placed at the resistance. Thus, this trade will provide us with a great risk to reward of 1 ratio to 4. Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my analysis and prediction on Bitcoin, please do like, share and comment below to tell me whether do you agree and or disagree with my analysis or prediction, and do consider subscribing. Thank you.